Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to grow your career and become an AI specialized web developer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your skills, we'll cover everything you need to know to excel in this exciting field. From mastering essential programming languages to understanding complex AI algorithms, let's dive into the steps that will set you on the path to success. By becoming an AI specialized web developer, you can future proof your skills in an ever evolving tech landscape. This specialization opens up more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals with AI expertise. Additionally, AI skills can lead to higher salaries as they make you more efficient and productive by leveraging AI as your assistant. Embrace this journey to not only stay relevant, but also to thrive in a competitive market. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized web developer. With the rapid pace of AI advancements, staying updated is crucial. That's why we ensure our curriculum is always current, providing you with the latest knowledge and tools relevant to web development. Our commitment is to keep you at the forefront of AI technology, empowering you to excel in your career. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for web developers. We offer the latest prompt courses, custom GPTs specialized for web development tasks, and a curated selection of AI tools. At Complete AI Training, our course and certification program are designed to equip you with the skills to become an AI specialized web developer. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for web developers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert web developer. You can start a 3-day trial today.